Friends, today I'm going to show that how to import contacts from Google to iPhone. Friends, to import contacts from Google to iPhone, it's an easy process. Don't miss anything, and after watching this video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, I'll use for this couple of steps, so you have to follow all the steps one by one. So friends, for the first steps, I need to go on settings, then I have to go on mail, then I have to go on accounts, then I have to tap on add account, then I have to tap on Google, now my friends, you have to log in your email address and password here. After that, after logging your email with password, then my friends, you have to go back. Then again you have to come on settings. After coming on settings, you have to go on contacts right now. Then my friends, you have to tap on accounts, then tap on Gmail, and if you see this one is turn off the contacts, simply you have to turn on this one, my friends, the contacts. After turning on contacts, you have to restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, you will see all the contacts is here, my friends, has been imported on here, on the contacts list. You'll find here. So friends, like this, if you want, you can import contacts from Google to iPhone. Friends, to import contacts from Google to iPhone, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.